properties inside of it help me continue my acclimation process when I'm outside the reflection modulation chamber.
Harder.
It's time to get rid of my husband. We begin by dismantling everything that protects him. You know where to start?
Success is assured.
Bleeding. The sound louder so we can disturb all the neighbors.
Guys, shouldn't it be all hands on deck with Iris, Camilla, and Sing stuck in the Mirrorverse?
Hey, you're just as important.
Found this.